What's up, guys? This is SFDZN, and I'm going to show you how to make the beam effect in Photoshop and Gimp. First, you're going to want to get the photo you want, make a new layer on top of the layer of your picture, get your path tool, and make sure design is checked, and you're going to want to click somewhere and then drag out, and you'll get these lines with the oval looking tips on the end. And you're going to do this through the whole entire thing. And you want to make sure your foreground color is set to white for this also. Then you're going to click stroke path, check mark the stroke with paint tool, press stroke, and you'll get this white line around it. Then what you're going to do is right click, alpha to selection, filters, alpha to logo, and let's do let's see, what do we want to do? Let's do neon. See how that looks. That's about right. And then pick the color you want. It'd be best to do a neon color, but I'm gonna try red. And press OK. And this should give a good red glow to it. And you can see there's a black background. All you gotta do is delete that, and then you got that. And then what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna zoom in on here, pretty far in, and take your eraser tool and erase part of this. First, you're going to want to merge these layers down, and then you're going to want to start erasing to make it look like it is actually weaving through him. And there's going to be a bunch from your neon. There's going to be a bunch of extra color sticking out, so you need to try to erase as much of that as you can, because it kind of makes it look a little bit more unrealistic. And I'm just going to speed the rest of this up because you kind of that's pretty much all you have to do on Gimp. And as you can see, it kind of looks like it's swirling around Mark Ingram. And now for Photoshop, you're gonna hit a file, open your photo again, on here. And Photoshop is a little different. You're still gonna do the same thing, but I'm gonna do what I think looks the best. So you can do what I do, or you can just do it the normal way. You go to brush tool. I'm gonna use about a 12 point. No, let's use about a 10. All right. Then let's go to Window. This is for CS5, by the way. That is the program I use. And let's uncheck smoothing and check shape dynamics. And make sure this is on pin pressure, and all these are to 0%, and these two are set to off. Then you're going to want to take that over to the side. Then you're going to want to take your pin tool and make sure your thing is once again set to white. And you're going to want to select your things you're going to do. But if you're going to make a new layer, then you're going to click, drag again, and you'll see the same exact oval ended lines on here. And when you're done with that, you're gonna right click, stroke path, and this check mark box leaves it with kind of a faded swirl at the end, as you can see right there. And then you're gonna double click on your layer with this swirl on it, outer glow, set this mode to normal, the opacity all the way up, and set it to red. And then you're going to do just like you did on Gimp. Zoom in and do the erasing. I'll speed this up just as well. And there you go. And as you can see, I think the Photoshop looks better because you can do more things, but that is how you do it on both. And I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe.